welcome back. It's that time of the year again for AgExpo 2025, so let's head on in and take a look at what we can see this year. Pretty quiet in here so far, still prior to 9 o'clock. Everybody's getting set up. All right, FMC booth is getting ready here. We got Brian here. Brian, you got any fun show specials, anything new this year?
Swing on by the booth, and we're giving away a draw for Tag Team Bionic and Authority package. So if you're looking at growing peas this year, swing by and take a look at it.
Sounds good. And of course, FMC also has lots of different pre-burn options, as well as the new biological wing this year. So come on by. Here's the Syngenta booth is all getting set up. Hey guys, how's it going today?
Morning. Doing good.
Any fun show specials this year?
No, nothing too extravagant this year. Same old stuff.
Any fun new products for the 2025 season?
So we do have a new product called Axial Max, which is a combination of Axial Extreme plus Talonor, which is a broadleaf herbicide that we launched last year. So excited for that as a product option for growers.
Excellent. Thanks, Joel. Here is the Bushel Plus booth. So they got a few different concaves set up. We got some John Deere concaves here now. We got a little mini combine over there in the corner. That's what I use for doing plot control or my plot harvesting and stuff like that. And yeah, so any show specials, anything new this year?
Yeah, this year we're running what's called an O-Grate. It's a specialty concave that we developed a couple years ago for our corn and soybeans, but we're seeing really good results with it in peas. It's this one here. We have it for all of our makes, New Holland, Case, and John Deere, as well as our Fendt concaves that are coming out this year. So we're show specials for this week are 5% off of our concaves, 10% off of our mini combine, and our drop pan. So,
excellent.
Yeah.
All right, we got Corteva here is all set up, and here's our usual Brent. Brent, you got some new stuff for us this year, right, with the acquisition of Stoller?
Yeah, we do. So Stoller joined our group officially in July. So yeah, we're going to be one of the largest biological players in the world here now. So you might be familiar with products like Stimulate, Golden Harvest. What else would be on there? The Excite. So those are a few key products in the area that you might be that are part of the Corteva portfolio. So.
Excellent. And of course, Corteva also has excellent products like Corex for pre-burn control, which will be coming up sooner rather than later this spring. And here is the Pride Seeds booth. So we got Sarah in here again. So Sarah, you got any exciting new corn hybrids for this year?
We sure do. So we have a new Salad Specific AS 1058. We also have a new 72 day that is in the production plan, but we're also going to be testing in plots. So it's going to be a A42 blank VT Double Pro, and then we also have an 83 day grain hybrid, which is probably a little bit long for down here.
Excellent, thank you. Pride Seeds is one of my favorite corn varieties. They always perform very well. Here we have the Mercer Seeds booth, and we got Ryan Mercer here. Ryan, what are you talking to guys about this year? Anything you're promoting?
Yeah, mustard is always a big crop for us. We sell a lot of yellow mustard as well as brown and oriental. Been very popular. So.
Great, and you got some new peas to replace Meadow this year?
Yes, we've got a small seed called Julius, so it's got a tough seed coat and really good yield compared to something like Meadows. We've been waiting for a good Meadow replacement for years, and now we finally have it with Julius.
Sounds good, and also solid stem durum this year too, right?
Yes, Weyburn durum has been a very popular durum. Soft flies are a big problem everywhere in southern Alberta, so as soon as someone walks up to our booth at AgExpo, one of the first things we talk about is soft flies, and so Weyburn is going to be a good replacement for something like a Stronghold or a Grainland. So really excited about the Weyburn.
Excellent, thank you very much. Mercer Seeds is a good supporter of AgroPlus, and we really like working with these guys, so if you need seed, come on down and talk to them. Oh, and here we have the New Farm booth with Tanner, who never wanted to be on camera with AgroPlus, but now he has no choice being with New Farm. How's it going, Tanner?
It's going great, Lyle. Thanks for stopping by. We're looking forward to today and getting to see a bunch of new people, for sure.
Excellent.
How are things with you?
Excellent. So any new products with New Farm for 2025?
We are relaunching Zelterra Pulse. We've added a little polymer to that to help increase the drying time. We've got a couple things down the pipeline in regards to cereal seed treat. We've added ethoboxum to our Intego Sweet cereals. to help with Pythium resistance. We've got our version of sulfentrazone, and I think that's about it. We're looking to kind of continue the success we had with Oxbow last year. We had great uptake in Southern Alberta specifically, so we're going to continue that momentum. We've increased production substantially, so we're hoping to get some more of that chemical out there.
Sounds good to me. I know my own experience with Oxbow last year was very positive, so I'm looking forward to seeing more of it this year. And here's our AgroPlus booth, a little bit bigger this year, and here's some of our usual staff. We got Mitchell and Jens here. Say hello, guys. I won't harass them too much, the camera's shy. All right, here we got the Gowan booth in the main hall. We got Ryan over here. Ryan, what are you talking to guys about this year?
Talking about a lot of our new product called Insight, which is a non-selective Group 14 pre-burn in front of your wheat, your durum, your corn, or on any chem fallow. Also talking Edge, Avidex Fortress pre-emergence, and then we got some scratch cards and some playing cards for our Don't Gamble with Weed Control promotion here this year. So talking weed resistance management with everyone, basically.
Sounds good to me. For those of you that don't know anything about Insight, it is a really good pre-burn control for grassy weeds like wild oat and brome. And here we have the Bayer and DeKalb booth. I think they got some new varieties for this year, don't you?
We do, yes. So on our Liberty Link lineup, we actually have 2 new hybrids that were featured a little bit last year. 800, which is a little bit better suit for the northern Alberta area, and down here in the south, we've got 801. So really strong variety down here, but both have a fit, I'd say. And then on the TrueFlex Liberty Link traits, or dual trait, we've got 401 as well.
Yeah, excellent. I had the opportunity to use the 401 and the 400 last year, and I really liked them. And here we have the Taurus booth. We got Clayton here. We had a webinar with him last week, so you can go back on our YouTube channel and look at that for a lot more information. But Clayton has quite a few different products here today. Clayton, was there anything you wanted to talk about?
Hello, AgroPlus. My name is Clayton Miller, and as Lyle said, I am the fertility company. So at Taurus here, we deal with fertility from seed to senescence. So there's a difference between fertilizer and fertility. At Taurus, I focus on fertility, so feeding the plant from seed to senescence. I deal with nitrogen stabilizers, foliars, inoculants, pre-treated urea, all sorts of different things. So if you have a fertility question or anything in mind, stop on by at AgExpo and talk to me or the guys at AgroPlus.
Oh, and this year we got some new people here. We got Dave Creek is now with AgroPlus for quite a few months, about 6 months now? Yeah. And we got Austin. Austin is out of the Dunmore location. Say hello, Doc.
Hello.
So some of our new people this year you'll be seeing. Day 3, or day 2 now. Things are getting a little more busy in here compared to Wednesday. Oh, and here we got the North Star Seeds booth. So these guys have some really good varieties of corn for feeding to cattle on feedlots. Anything in particular you're pushing this sale?
Yeah, we really want to showcase our floury starch. When we look at it from a starch digestibility perspective, it's absolutely phenomenal. Notice that absence of that vitreous outer starch layer. We're getting almost 100% utilization. No passage, no hindgut fermentation, beef gain, and milk liters.
Oh, sounds good. Excellent corn varieties. Oh, and here we got the Pickseed DLF booth. So, Kevin, you're on camera now. Any new alfalfa varieties this year? Anything exciting?
Eclipse alfalfa. That'd be one of the best in the market. Superior disease package. And then multifoliate, right? So all the goodies, but it has a fantastic disease package. That's probably the newest one that we have. That was available last year, but this year it's full release. We've also got Cascade. That's a new creeping rooted alfalfa. And then Catalyst. That's a new multifoliate, but it's a little bit hardier. Deep tap root, but it's a little bit hardier, I find. So if you don't have irrigation, that would be the way to go. Do something like that, Catalyst alfalfa. Yeah.
Excellent. If you want alfalfa, he's the guy to come talk to. He's my forage provider of choice. Oh, and here we've got the Belsham booth. So these guys sell all sorts of fun stuff like Manipulator and Tough. So if you have some weed problems in your lentils, come talk to these guys and learn all about Tough. Or if your cereals are lodging, come and ask them about Manipulator. And here we got the West Wind booth. So we got the crew of pilots out here. So these guys are the best in the industry in the area. They work pretty closely with us here at AgroPlus. So if you need anything flown, come and talk to Nathan or any of the other guys. And AgroPlus, we can deliver chemical right to the warehouse. So they're Good to go. Anything else you want to tell your customers this year?
Nope, just we're here to help. Whatever you guys need, we're just another tool in the toolbox. Aerial can be the right thing, the right time kind of thing. So when you call, you'll end up talking to Carl, and Shane's one of our pilots. And yeah, anything we can help with, we're here to help you guys with whatever it is.
Excellent. Well, Friday afternoon, about a half hour to close, so we'll be packing her up, getting out of here pretty soon. So from all of us at AgroPlus, hope you had a good show, and yeah, show will be long over by the time you see the video.